everybody? Welcome to the last part of our SQL tutorial, and today i-apply na natin lahat na natutunan nating concepts into one problem. And going back to there, tayo kasi dito sa school, tayo lang yung marunong mag-SQL eh. Tapos kinausap tayo ng school admin. Sabi niya, may papagawa ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, 15 lang naman yung students mo. Ikaw na lang gumawa. Manual na lang, di ba? Pero sabi niya, hindi, kasi in the future, baka maging 100 yan. So might as well have it ready, di ba? Have the query ready. Para kung lumaki yung population natin, mabilis ko na lang makukuha. Sabi mo, okay, bayad naman ako eh. Okay? So ito yung problem. As a school admin, I want to see the average score of each student across all subjects, show the student's full name and their average score. Order the results from highest to lowest average. Okay, gusto niya may decimal point. Pwede na sana to eh, kaso gusto niya yung may decimal point eh. Di ba? Napaka-demanding mo naman, school admin. Pero sige. Now, medyo complicated siya. Maglulubat na daw yung Mac ko. Pero ignore natin yan, bilisan na lang natin. Maglulubat tuloy. Kailangan kasi natin, pagka mag-build tayo ng ganitong query, kailangan pira-pirasuhin mo muna. So, okay? So, let's do it from the top. I want to see the average score of each student. So, average score of each student, we know we'll be using average. So, across all their subjects. So, we also know, kailangan natin ng subjects. So, let's do that first. Let's join subjects, and then let's add aliases for both. Student as stud and subjects as sub. And then on what? Ano yung link nito? Ano yung key nito? We can join it together with student ID and then ID. Okay? On stud.id equals sub.student_ID. Okay? So, ayan, napakadami na. Pero again, we don't need everything. Let's select what we need. We need the stud.fullname. Okay? Full name, average score, and the results from highest to lowest. Actually, yun lang, student, and then we need the average. So, AVG, average of the score. Ayan, score nila, average na score. Sub.score. Now, mag-error to kapag rinan natin. Okay? Why? Kasi nag-aggregate function tayo, pero hindi pa natin siya nag-group by. So, tanggalin muna natin to. One de la Cruz tuloy. Group by full name. Stud.fullname. And then, let's select students. So, pagka-rinan natin yan actually, let's try it out. It's not gonna work kasi naka-group by na yung full name. So, hindi, imagine nyo. Pag kinoment out natin to. Oops. Ayan. Pag kinoment out natin siya, pag ginawa nyo isa tong Juan de la Cruz, hindi magiging isa tong score. Tsaka itong subject name kasi magkakaiba sila eh. So mag-error yun kapag sinelect all natin. Kasi ito lang yung magiging isa. Itong Juan de la Cruz lang. So we just selected stud.fullname. Okay. Now, what we need to do is to get the average. Okay. So we average natin yung score. So AVG score subject.score. Ayan. So yan na yung average score per subject. Lahat ng subjects. So, lagyan natin na alias to as average. There we go. Okay, we're almost there. So, we just need to order it. We just need to order it. Order by, ano ba? Highest to lowest average. So, descending. Order by descending. Oops. Order by descending, lutang na. Sorry, naantok. Order by average and then descending. There we go. The brain is working again. Alright, there we go. So, we can see Julia De Vera, you are so smart. You're the smartest of them all. Nathaniel C., you have baka magaling ka naman mag-guitar tsaka kumanta. So, okay na din. Sige. So, tapos ka na, di ba? Pero sabi mo, I'm a data engineer. I can do better than that. So, sabi mo, what if yung ibibigay ko sa kanya, more, yung ano na, yung above 90 lang, yung mga excelling students lang. Okay? So how are you gonna do that? Filter mo so that yung average score lang na 90 yung magpapakita sa table. How are you gonna do that? Siyempre, yung iba dyan, ang gagawin nyo. Where average is greater than 90. Shems, ba't hindi gumana? The first reason is kasi pagka magsusulat ka ng where, dapat nasa taas siya ng order by. Okay? Yung order by, laging last yan. Okay? Hindi pa din siya gumana. Why do you guys think? You have an average over here. So, may aggregate function ka. So, where is not gonna work. What you're gonna do? You're gonna use having. Alright? Having average over 90. Shucks, guys. Apat sila. Paano natin bibigyan ng medal yung pang-apat? You don't belong here. You don't belong here. Okay, we can do greater than 90.25. Pero malay mo ba na 90.25 siya, di ba? Gusto mo lang top 90 eh. So, lagyan mo ng limit 3. Okay? We are done with the course, guys. We are done with the SQL basics and it's very basic. But I suggest you guys practice. And here is a platform that you guys can use if you guys want to practice. It's called BigQuery. And dito makakita kayo ng mga multiple datasets. Malalaki ang mga datasets na yan. So you guys want to explore. Itong practice natin dito, students, subjects, teachers. Sobrang liit lang nito. So kung gusto yung makatikim ng totoong database, totoong tables, you guys go visit BigQuery by Google. Mag-register lang kayo doon. Input lang kayo ng card. Wala namang ma-charge sa inyo dyan. Tapos mag-practice kayo doon. Alright? I suggest practicing on real-life databases and solve problems that you think will be interesting. Alright? So yun yung masasuggest ko. Okay? Now, again, thank you everybody for bearing with us, bearing with me, this 8-part series on SQL basics. And I hope you guys learned something. If wala, alam mo yun, tuyong-tuyo na yung bibig ko eh. Pagod na ako. Pero kasi, you know, I promise that I'll be making this video for you guys. I've been working on this for like, what? 6 hours now, 10 hours now. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And send it to your friends if you guys may. Alright? Now, I hope that you guys have a blessed day. And see you guys on the next tutorial and on my TikTok probably. Or in the Telegram. Magtanong kayo doon if ever may questions kayo. Alright? Thank you guys again for watching and see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.